Apple's nearest smartphone is the iPhone SE2, which is expected to offer the benefits of modern brand smartphones, including the A13 chipset and the new 12MP camera, in iPhone 8. Despite the clear idea that this model will receive the same design as the last Apple smartphone in the pre-dual era, a kind of refutation of this has appeared on social networks. The published video showed a certain device with an iOS loading screen, which in design resembles the iPhone 11 Pro, 3 cameras, a logo in the center of the back panel, an eyebrow for Face ID, with only one correction: the frame is made in the style of the classic iPhone 4 and 5. It is curious that this is how various sources of leaks on Apple see iPhone 12, but in the end it may turn out that it will be embodied in iPhone SE2 next spring. Meanwhile, one should not be sure of the authenticity of this iPhone. There is a possibility that we are faced with a clone or just a well-executed fake based on an existing device. Of particular concern are the 3 cameras in the model at this level, because even the iPhone 11, which will be a class above the iPhone SE2, received a dual camera. Let's wait a little longer.